You don't choke me, oh. Hey.
Hi guys, it's me, your girl Jay here with my newfound friend. I came to see her today, and today, hey, we have some interesting, some yummy challenge for you all. We are doing food challenge. All right, you guys, we are having a little bit of a joke. Let's see who's going to eat faster or who will get tired first. What do you guys think? Make sure, if you never subscribe, if you never like, fast, now, and watch to the end though, first to finish. Let's see who will go finish first.
Not so.
And then my sister, oh yeah guys, let's continue. You see this aku? When I remember for Nigeria, how they say they tie aku. Hey, if you never see
Oh my God.
hey, who go finish first?
I don't dey start so.
But this girl play wayo. She give me big aku. See this. Which of you don dey start?
You dey dull my brain. I don't start.
I'm not just trying me, oh.
I don't start.
Alright guys, now we pray, oh. How we go chop, we not go pray now. Wow. Father, in Jesus' name, we bless the food, bless the bringer, bless the receiver.
Amen.
Amen. I don't pray finish. But I not laughing on that sabi.
Hey, God, though. But this food is too big, oh.
But wait,
like your own
guys,
is not
now my own big pass. See this girl, they cheat me. He give me this big apple.
No.
You guys, you want start before me, oh. Oh, Bob, this matter serious, oh.
Oh,
Now so she arrived.
oh my God. Guys, I am so, in fact, this soup,
Now me hungry pass am. I can't see her for her city. She cook for me now. She the first me chop. Now don't see this kind thing.
it's like your presence carry sweetness.
But I don't see this kind thing. When I tell you, and they talk, you don't finish up.
Today, I will show you, say, I'm from Enugu.
Guys, she's a good cook. Very delicious.
Thank you.
This soup is sweet, well, marama.
Ew. This food is too much.
When I wait first, guys, I know Sabi rush. Now she go win this challenge.
Just soup is my best soup. Very easy.
This soup too sweet. Even na the fine cook. See my Mrs. Cook for here. When I call her, make her cook for
Now
my
she
party.
cook pass me, oh. Now she cook pass me.
I beg. I go leave a link. I had a link for my description. Mona go subscribe to her channel.
She cook pass me.
As
soon as see her like this, flow with J.
I beg when I follow my cheese family for me, all the cheese families in the house. I beg you for now they follow her. When I subscribe,
I go drop her link so that now go see the goodies way she dey cook.
First to finish. Concentrate. Okay, I will concentrate. I'm talking too much.
I need to rest.
Opportunity.
Oh my God.
But guys, to chop food fast, it's not easy.
You know it's at all.
It's not easy.
This meat is too much.
Now what? Oh Bob, this soup too sweet. You guys, I know they shop Ogbono soup. I don't eat Ogbono soup, but because of this girl, look at the way I'm enjoying Ogbono soup. Like say, you know to say this girl they cheat me. She dey cheat me.
Hey.
More soup go chop finish.
And the soup is peppy show.
Eh? The soup is too sweet. I feel chop even 2 people head same time.
Be long and egg just soup.
Thank you.
Very long.
It's been 10 years I've not eaten it. He said very long. Been na 10 years.
10 years.
Ah,
Mama mia.
I know the chop Ogbono. But she made me to eat Ogbono because this soup Mamma mia. Woman dey chop Ogbono with you, taste this soup. You no go say no chop Ogbono again.
She wey dey talk na she be the great cook o.
Ah so.
Make una no worry. I link, I go just drop and then make una go follow. Una go see wetin she dey cook.
She dey talk now, she dey talk say na me na lie. Na she dey cook am pass.
I don learn plenty food from her channel. Plenty.
I like you. I feel na one we do food competition. No, if I will go, okay. More now leave am for the comment section. If una want make we do food competition, we go cook. Then another person go test am. Then we go see who win. What do you think?
I know say you go pass me.
Comment.
I know say you go pass me.
Say she don chop her finish. They tell me say I go pass her.
I know say you go pass me.
EJ, we don't win o.
No, if na for eating fast, that one I study am for school as I be chop.
You guys, abeg, una dey follow am.
My nickname na food. I like food.
When they mean I'm the foodie, she that they cook, me I be the foodie.
Anything, I study ethology. I don't hear that kind of language before. Ethology. I go to the school of chop.
The school of chop. Man, I not call her for competition because he go win on now.
They know me for that one. Anything food. Anything food. If I dey chop and I start with the wine my eye, like they wine my eye.
No, not they see evidence of good living. No, they start to they wine the eye. They chop it. Don't even first me chop and finish. I know if they do competition with you again. See, you guys see. That's my own plenty. See,
my own still plenty.
Ah, not lie.
Bible said the first shall be the last.
So the first shall not be the last.
Oh my God, English now your mate.
English not be your mate.
Probably I may be the last. Hey, God.
Don't tire. I'm done. When I still sing with last.
Oh, that better.
Nigeria. Weekly.
You shock me.
They made me laugh, my sisters, my brothers and sisters who are the most. If they look my own, say my own full year. Hey! What is you see this girl? He leave me oh. Did they go chop my own? You don't see this woman oh. Good. So that my own will finish. Make sure they chop my own for finish.
To eat meat is not easy. I like meat. This woman you be why yo?
Who go win for this challenge?
You wait here, I go first you. See your own. I know your meat still plenty. In fact, take back your meat.
What does this say? Wow. Now so, this one na you before shower.
Hey. I need water.
Water not there for this challenge. No water.
But we will not agree with that one.
Water not there for the challenge.
Don't worry. Water go hungry you too. Hey.
If you don't know me as a
you don't choke me oh. Hey.
It don't happen.
How you take it do your own self? Why you never trust the food?
I be foodie. You don't know now. You don't know I'm getting now. I'm not talking with me.
Oh.
You don't chop again. I don't win.
You never win.
Afisa don't win now. You
The
give up
first
now.
may be the last. Remember what the Bible says. The first may be the last.
Afisa she don't give up. Now make I
And
say I
not
don't win.
me give up for waiting now.
Okay. Never give up.
But to tell you the truth, I don't tire. But you see this game, I must win. I must win.
Now me go win now.
See you sit there now. Go drink water now.
No, water not there for the challenge.
Keep up.
Water there, guys. So now say make we drink water.
No drink. No,
No
na
drink.
every beggar.
Water not there.
Saliva not be water. Oh.
Saliva na water.
be water.
Saliva na water. Na part of water.
I dey hear food challenge. This one choke me.
May we see who go win. Oh.
Like now you go win. Hey. God, you know easy. See me sit there.
Challenge.
Hey.
If you like give me more now, I go chop and finish.
True, you don't dey go. Hi. You don't hang.
I go chop all of them.
Na because I rush my own from the beginning. That's why e can't choke me.
I rush am too. Not be good challenge we dey do. Let's go finish. Wait, guys. If I first finish, what will give me 100 subscribers? I be 500 subscribers. Oh yeah.
I beg, just
But
win.
I bring all the subscribers come.
Just win, oh.
She won't make I whistle that she go give
Not
up.
be me there again. Na my spirit. My spirit.
See, I don't finish am. Who sabi choppers?
Abeg,
Who sabi chopper?
Win, oh.
I no wan win. Na by force to win.
I be say I sabi chop, but I see who pass me. Make una go follow her, oh. Una see this woman wey dey here so. Up you. But I go follow her. Go make una laugh tire. As una see her so. I give up.
I don't give up. Let me win.
I give up. I don tire. Don't kill me.
I win. Na my own big pass o. If you cheat me, he collect the small one. Give me big one. See,
You
I
never win your meat still there. You will finish your meat.
see your own.
You never win.
You say I never win. Maybe I
The
never
meat everything go finish. You never finish.
The meat go finish. Na
In
so
fact.
I say na the banku.
Meat join now.
This one serious then. Guys, I don belle full. My belle, hey Jehovah. Okay, oh. It's make I chop the meat finish. Oh wow. Make I leave the plate too. Okay. Well, I want make I lick am. How much na go pay me? You don't finish oh. Hey, this one na wayo. Na wayo. I no gree. Wayo. The problem.
This challenge I must win. I'm a winner.
Yeah.
For your village, they want to help person. Friend, they help person. Friend, they help friend. What are friends for?
Not because this
Help
one.
me.
Not because this one.
What are friends for?
Na me win. Na me win no. Na me win no. Na me win. Mama, see, I want to do food challenge with me. Yeah, now. I tell you, tell me, I'm going to win. Hey, go win now. Who win? Tell me.
Hello.
It's clear, Abby. I will help you. Guys, I am the winner. I am the winner. See now, I'm not going to this format. Hey, confirm man. I am the winner. I am the winner. I am the winner. So guys, if you enjoy content like this, I beg. Water. We I don't drink water.
Help me.
Now why you don't see how you don't play why you.
I'm not feel so long. Help me.
I don't feel open now. What do we go do? I don't feel open now, mo. Muna see am. I don't want to finish. I am the winner. I am the winner.
Hey,
I am the winner.
Nothing like freedom. When they go use something, they cover your mouth. They go fit up. Now so it take choke me. It choke me.
It's clear. Be clear for una. But I believe today say I be foodie. I be.
I no go ever compete with you again.
Tell her, I beg, man, go check this woman. So this woman channel. I just got back all of for now. Will be so now be so my subscriber. All the J families. What do now they do? Oh yeah, move
Oh
to
my God.
He said, he shook her. He shook
me.
her. He shook her. Well. He did.
So and choke me.
He shook her. He said he shook her.
Guys, when I don't see her, I come and say this woman, she too much. When I don't see her, say I know they lie.
If they give me
I
more.
know they lie. For this she's family, we know they lie. Make una go follow her. She have an amazing content. Fine content when I go enjoy. Make una go follow her. But babe, you sabi chop o.
One go sabi shop. That one for you.
Hey.
Now when I like food like say tomorrow, Lord.
You too much. You too much.
Just me that.
Flowith J, you too much.
The cheese family, they see that.
But it surprise me, you sabi chop like.
Now what for you?
No.
Now what for you?
I really appreciate your comment. Thank you very much. I hope to see you again.
Now what for you? You
I
don't
hope
finish
to
already.
see you again.
Which of you hope?
Finish
Which
now.
of you hope? You don't finish already, that's all. You know they pursue me go my house.
Which
okay?
kind of woman is
I don't
this?
they go my house, so
Which kind of-
you don't see another. The cheese family they pursue me, they go my house. Make her they go my house.
Please guys, I beg, make una like this video. As una dey watch am, I beg. Na beg we dey beg. Make una like am. I
Sharp,
beg.
sharp, sharp.
For those of una wey never still subscribe, I beg.
What are you waiting for?
Make una subscribe. I beg
We
we
dey
dey beg.
beg go now.
Abeg.
Wanna become part of the Cheese and Jay's family.
E don finish o.
E don finish o.
They no dey use money.
Una no go pay.
Na free.
Free of charge. We go dey entertain una. See, una no go who pay. We go dey entertain una join us at our. Oh yeah, gonna click that subscribe button. What are you waiting for?
Click am.
Click am.
So guys, we really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Come next time. Bye.